Okay, sit in your chair.
I got one Jesse's on.
All right, click on this box where it says write a comment with the mouse. Click on the box that says write a comment. Make the line. Right there. Just click on the box right here. Click. Click. Click until it's blank. Click. There you go. Now, you know how to write I am. I am. I. Space. Am. How do you spell am? How do you spell am? Am.
A.
Uh-huh.
A-M.
Mm-hmm.
A-M.
Type it. Oh, that says MSM. Delete.
Delete, delete.
Delete, delete. That's good. I'm. You could do space. I'm what? I'm what? What do you want to say? I'm... Oh, just go ahead. Yeah, write it. Space?
No, delete.
Do you remember how to do an exclamation point? Do you remember? You hold down shift, hold it down, and press the 1. Oh, delete came out as a 1. Delete. Delete.
Okay, delete.
Now hold down shift, like that, and press the 1 at the same time. Let's see. It did it. Now press enter. Press enter. Oh, you gotta leave the keyboard. Enter. There.